Let's see if this works. I can see you and I can hear you. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Okay. Okay, there was a computer glitch. I don't know what was the matter. But anyway, here we are. We have exactly, yes, let me see, because I have my other student. We have exactly 43 minutes, okay? Yeah, so tell me, actually, I wanted to ask you, what exactly is it that you want to do? You mentioned some stuff when we met the last time, MTS. I know it's things are tough back in your country right now, and I want to know the days that you're available and the internet.
Yeah, right now everything is fine. And last time my electricity is problem. Now it's fine.
Okay,
So
okay, very
today
good.
you are looking good.
Yes, thank you. Thanks very much. And you as well. You look, yes, he doesn't look, you don't look that it's late. It's what, 10 something there? 10:20?
Yeah,
In
my time.
Dhaka? In Dhaka. Are you in Dhaka?
Uh, I am from now Chattogram. Do you know about Chattogram?
That's the second largest city, isn't it?
Yeah, Dhaka is the capital my Bangladesh.
Oh, I thought Dhaka was the capital.
Yeah,
No, tell me a bit about Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is a little bit a small country. Do you know?
Well, small country with a large population.
Right. Are you already researched?
Mhm. Yeah, so it's quite, yes, it's quite big. Yes. And right. So you are, how is the internet normally? Does it work well?
Yeah, right now. Well,
Oh, I see.
uh,
Because no, the economy is pretty good. I read a bit about the economy and so on. It's one of the strongest, third strongest economy there
yeah,
in the areas.
economy is
Yeah.
still now it's good.
Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. So, what is it that you want to do, Imtiaz? Imtiaz, actually. What is it that you want to do?
Yeah. Uh, Last meeting I said you I want to learn my English for business agency for my freelancing, and I have some problems like fluency, pronunciation, and some grammar.
Right. Mhm. You mentioned we have a huge vocabulary, though. I can see that your vocabulary is there. How did you learn English, Imtiaz? When did you start learning English? Because you have been speaking. I know the British were there in your country, before they split out of Pakistan and so on. So I know that a bit. I don't know much. I like to read more about it. But so is English spoken widely in Bangladesh?
Yeah, Bangladesh English books in available.
Mm-hmm.
I have
Mm-hmm.
a
Where did you learn English? Where did you study English?
I basically I did not learn English. I follow like many YouTube channel, many blogs, many podcast channel.
See, you have learned on
Sometimes.
your own. You're self-taught. You've done a good job. That's pretty good because you have learned many
Can you
words.
could you honestly say that my English is good or bad? Did you understand
Oh
clearly?
yes, I understand what you have said. Well, your question, of course. I would say that your English, you know lots of words. I'm going to evaluate you more to see your writing and to see your reading and your understanding. You seem to understand quite a bit. So, yes, the pronunciation needs some work, but that's okay. That's just a matter of practice. Everything in a language is a matter of practice. And if you're ready to dedicate time to the classes and learning, you'll be able to learn it. And as I mentioned, without knowing too much detail about you, just from our meeting the last time, I could tell that you would probably take between, depends on you, to be able to manage and to write emails and so on, between about 5 months, I would say, 5 months, And if you study, you dedicate the time, you will be absolutely wonderful. You